Luxury is evolving, and Rolls-Royce, the crown jewel of ultra-luxury cars, is leading the charge into the future. From a refreshed 2026 Rolls-Royce Ghost to a bold roadmap of electric SUVs and flagship EV sedans, the iconic British automaker is redefining what it means to blend tradition with innovation. But can Rolls-Royce stay ahead in a rapidly changing market while keeping its signature handcrafted perfection? Let's dive into what's next for one of the most prestigious brands on Earth. The 2026 Ghost facelift. The Rolls-Royce Ghost, already one of the most refined luxury sedans on the planet, is getting a subtle but meaningful update for the 2026 model year. Recent spy shots reveal redesigned front bumper with a cleaner, more aerodynamic shape. Sharper headlamp styling, giving the Ghost a modern, aggressive presence. A revised lower grille for better airflow and efficiency. Updated taillights with new LED patterns for a sleeker nighttime signature. Inside, expect upgraded infotainment systems, new interior trim options, and possibly expanded driver assist technologies. What won't change? The legendary 6.75-liter V12 engine. Rolls-Royce has decided to keep the combustion powertrain for now, preserving the silky, effortless performance Ghost buyers expect. This facelift isn't about revolution, it's about refinement, keeping the Ghost timeless while hinting at where Rolls-Royce is headed next. The EV revolution begins. While the Ghost sticks with tradition, Rolls-Royce's future is electric. After the launch of the Spectre, their first-ever EV coupe, Rolls-Royce has confirmed at least 3 new EV models arriving by the end of the decade. Upcoming models. In 2025, a new luxury SUV is hitting the scene, aimed at younger buyers looking for ultra-luxury without the Cullinan price tag. In 2027, a compact electric SUV that combines performance, comfort, and cutting-edge battery tech. A new all-electric sedan is coming in 2028, likely replacing the Phantom and taking luxury to the next level. By 2030, Rolls-Royce has pledged to end combustion engines entirely and become a fully electric luxury automaker. This move aligns with stricter emissions regulations worldwide, but also signals a shift in how ultra-luxury buyers think about prestige. It's no longer just about handcrafted wood and leather. It's about silent power, advanced AI-assisted driving, and zero-emissions status symbols. How Rolls-Royce plans to stay exclusive. Even as Rolls-Royce embraces electrification, exclusivity remains non-negotiable. Unlike Tesla or Mercedes, Rolls-Royce isn't chasing volume. Each EV will still be hand-built in Goodwood, England, using bespoke customization that ensures no two vehicles are alike. Customers will have unprecedented control over unique woods and eco-friendly vegan leathers for interiors. Rolls is creating unique paints just for EV owners. And personalized technology integration, each EV's interface will be tailored to the owner's preferences. Rolls-Royce is balancing heritage with innovation, ensuring that while the powertrain evolves, the brand's soul remains untouched. Why this matters? This transformation is more than just cars. It's about the future of luxury itself. The shift from roaring V12s to whisper-quiet EVs marks a generational change in what defines prestige. For Rolls-Royce, the goal is clear. Keep their heritage alive through timeless craftsmanship, lead the way in luxury EV performance, and cement their role as the pinnacle of automotive innovation. Rolls-Royce's Ghost facelift could change luxury driving. The 2026 Ghost facelift shows Rolls-Royce is staying true to its heritage. But the real revolution is on the horizon, with 3 new EVs, a fully electric future by 2030, and an unwavering dedication to exclusivity and prestige. The next few years will shape how Rolls-Royce defines luxury in the electric era. One thing's certain, Rolls isn't following trends, it's setting them. What are your thoughts on Rolls-Royce's bold new changes to their lineup? Comment below your favorite change in Rolls' future. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos to come.